Morning, everyone. How's it going? What is up? What's up, Victor? How you doing, Easy Goal? James, what's going on? So, solid day yesterday. Pretty much 3 for 3. Last lotto doesn't really count, just for fun. Solid trades. Market is down a bit here. SPY down 0.3%. Q's down 0.4%. After a nice little rally yesterday. Oh yeah, don't even speak about the Giants or even the Jets. Crazy. Can't believe his Achilles is gone. Aaron Rodgers. So, Q's down 0.4%. But the thing is here, let me put my coffee down. Right? Look at where we're at here on Q's still. Right? So we had this big shelf and we rejected it right here. And then we finally broke through and now we're still above it pre-market. Yeah, Aaron Rodgers is done. He's done. He's too old for an Achilles. He's done. Right. So we have this previous support acted as resistance, acted as support here a few times. I want to see that hold here in at open. Right. If that can hold, it looks solid still. So we'll keep an eye on that. Excuse me. Just trying to get sick, I guess. SPY. Let's take a look at SPY. So we have higher and higher lows. We're down 0.3% here pre-market. We rejected, right, this previous support, acted as a resistance, acted as a triple top here, right? This is the lotto I tried to play end of day. I tried to play puts into it, and, we couldn't get a big enough drop down, right? I was just playing puts into a resistance, just a typical, looking for a typical rejection as, like any other rejection would happen. And we have a gap low, right? We do have a gap low. So, this could totally get filled. Right? 446.47. If we drop down, we're most likely going to test, 445, which is that major previous resistance from August 24th. So we'll keep an eye on that. VIX is still within this wedge. So if this starts to pop up, I do like puts on SPY. Right, we have that gap to fill to the downside. I wouldn't even be surprised if we push down to 442. All right, let's take a look at the daily candle. Right, look at that daily candle. Nice hammer. So if that gets taken out, I wouldn't even be surprised if we tested around 442. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. If everyone could drop a like on the video, that'd be fantastic. So we'll keep an eye on VIX. We need to watch this previous resistance here on VIX. If that breaks on VIX, I'm taking puts for sure. Because that will probably push up to 15 plus. Now let's take a look at individual setups. Meta. Right, Meta, great play yesterday, broke out. It almost got us, right? We entered around here, pulled back right to our stop loss and bounced right off that low a day, which is why I always set stop losses below. Huge base here, which is why I was confident this was going to push up, right? Huge base, higher and higher lows. Every single time it dipped, buyer stepped in. So it's another thing I always look for. Pushed up, right? Retested that previous support, ended up breaking out. Down 0.3% here pre-market right at the breakout point. What's up, Terry? How you doing? Netflix, solid setup. Might actually break down today, right, with the weakness of the entire market. Higher lows, lower highs. Needs to break over 448.65. Right, That resistance is this previous resistance here, resistance, 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 a bunch of times. So it needs to break over that level. Have a sip of my coffee. Right, so if it can't break through there, it's going to probably drop down back to 438. Tesla, what a rally yesterday. Absolutely great run after this flag break. Right, trigger was 264.77, like I said. Pushed through up until pretty much the next resistance above. Very, very solid. Very, very solid. Right, previous resistance, resistance. Almost got there. Wasn't able to actually get to 276, 3 points away, but close. Now it's pulling back a bit. Amazon, as expected, rejected exactly where it should have. 143.63. Right, previous resistance acted as resistance. Now within this zone, it's just going to chop. Needs to break through that high. Nvidia looks very, very solid if it can get back over 452.68. Big level that I'd like to take calls over. If not, we have to hold 443.12. Otherwise, we're going to see downside. Actually, I really do like this for puts. Let me see. Meta. What was the other setup? Tesla. No. So I like Meta. This one's fine. The video looks great to the downside too. So it looks good both sides, right? We have a gap to fill here. Excuse me. Sorry, I keep having to clear my throat. Hopefully it's not annoying to you guys. Right, we have a gap to fill here, and then we have a pretty solid support / resistance. 433.87 below. So if that gets taken out, then it's going to get filled right away. Google, let's take a look. Right, broke out, pulled back, didn't really do much. Now has this kind of triple top there. It's kind of bearish if it can't get back over 136.4 or so. Let's see, Rivian. I was about to go long Rivian also, right? Lower highs, higher lows, broke out. Wasn't able to hold itself over 23.71. If it can get back over, I like it. So I'll set an alert here. Apple. Apple has their event today, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have their event. iPhone 15 and Apple Watch Series 9. I'm excited to see the new stuff. I always like the Apple event. Anyone know what time the event is at? I don't really know what time the Apple event. Let me look it up quickly. Apple event. Let's see. Today at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. East. One p.m. East. Anyone down to watch it live? I'm down to watch it. It's probably so boring. I'd rather just watch highlights. They always stretch it all out, but it is cool. We could probably watch it. I'm down to watch it though. No, I'm not in bull trades anymore. I'm pretty sure the link's in my bio. You think Apple drops after the event? Yeah, let's take a look at the setup. So, we have this resistance, resistance, resistance. Nothing really too special here. Let's inverse this chart. All right, so I would draw it like this. Nothing really too special. We have this previous support here. Nothing really, honestly. So that's going to act as resistance, right? Previous resistance acted as support. Then we have this resistance here. Looks pretty bearish. Yeah, highlights are the way to go. Although, you know, it could keep us entertained in the middle of the day. Right, regarding trading and taking setups, guys, we got a decent amount of here. Make sure you're not over trading. Make sure you're waiting for setups to come to you. You don't need to trade every day. You know, I trade live every day to try and answer questions and help you guys if you are taking trades. But I am not trading every day. I try not to. You just have to play the best setups, and there's not going to be a best setup every single day. All right, so if there's no trades, you know, it might seem boring, you know, and a lot of people might be looking for their fix of, you know, being in trades, but that's really not the reality of trading. So we'll definitely have to keep an eye on Apple today. It's green right now. Shop looked like it was going to break out yesterday, but it couldn't. Right, rejected multiple times at this level. It's pulling back a bit, down 0.8%. I guess we'll watch this previous support here. Whoops, clicked the wrong tool. We'll watch that right there. Let's see what else we got. PayPal rejected this trend line multiple times. If it can get over 62.37, it looks pretty decent. Right, previous resistance acted as support, acted as resistance. Looks pretty solid. Microsoft, nothing really there. BABA, what's going on here with BABA? Nothing really also. AMD's still in that wedge. Don't really like it. Square, nope. Coin. Alright, coin is starting to kind of create this resistance here. If it can break over 83.20, it should push up to 86 plus. We're also putting in these higher lows here. Alright, so that looks pretty decent. We'll move that up a little bit. I'm getting this off my watch list. I don't want to watch Hood. Coin's also up 1.3% here pre-market. Airbnb, let's take a look. So that's it, right? What's IWM doing? Nothing really. Wait, did I go over Airbnb? I know you asked. It kind of looks like Microsoft. Nothing really here also. And nothing really here. Right? If anything, you're going to try and like force a setup here. I mean, it could be a little rising wedge, but not really. McDonald's. Nothing really here either. Right, you could draw it like this. We have this previous support. Acted as support, acting as resistance. Previous resistance, right? It always lines up. You know, you could look to play it through that most recent high, 280.35. Not too bad. SE, let's take a look. Oh, so this is a good chart. Thank you to whoever posted that. Thank you. Showing. I guess because I have stream mode on. Major moves. Thank you. So he just posted this. How Apple has done on each event. So, last year, looks like it's usually red. Average is down 0.3%. Median's down 0.6%. Not too bad. Thanks for posting that. I'll post that in the watch list section. Thank you for posting that, Major. This one, SE, right? We kind of have the lower highs, higher lows. Looks pretty decent, you know, but it did just see a huge drop right on earnings. So just play the levels. Play the levels. I'll be watching Qs at this previous support. And SPY, of course, always. And then the video I'll be watching. Coin, I'll be watching also. Set an alert here. And at this level here. So I got all my levels. CPI. Yes, CPI is tomorrow. Here's the chart. If you want, take a screenshot. CPI tomorrow. PPI on Thursday. All right, so that's that. I'm gonna go get the Zoom set up. If you're in here and you're not in the Discord, join up. I will see you guys in the Zoom. Appreciate everyone stopping by. Good luck today.